Connectivity measures. When assessing the brain activity of a patient, it is not only relevant to see what the deviations are in a particular brain area, but also whether there are deviations in the communication between brain areas. QEEG Pro distinguishes three ways of assessing communication between brain areas. The first two measures are based on the phase between electrode sites, phase coherence and phase lag. Consider the following example. The blue lines represent two EEG signals from two different electrode sites. As you can see, they are identical. Now consider the next example. The signals are still identical, but the bottom signal is shifted in time. The shift in time is called phase difference or phase lag and is expressed in degrees. The QEEG Pro report shows the z-scored phase lag for 9 frequency bands. Red lines indicate z-scores of 2.3 or higher, and blue lines indicate z-scores of -2.3 or lower. Phase coherence is based on phase lag and is a measure of the consistency of the phase lag between electrode sites. The QEEG Pro reports show the z-scored phase coherence for discrete frequencies between 1 and 40 Hz. Phase coherence is the most well-known measure of communication between brain areas in EEG recordings and has been studied extensively in scientific research. Even though amplitude asymmetry is not so much a measure of connectivity as phase lag or phase coherence, it does give insight in the relationship between electrodes in terms of power. Amplitude asymmetry represents the difference in power between two electrode sites. The QEEG Pro report shows the z-scored amplitude asymmetry for discrete frequencies between 1 and 40 Hz.